Packing for a paradise vacation? Whether you're traveling to the Amalfi Coast or a luxury beachside resort, I have got the perfect 15-piece resort wear capsule wardrobe that's elegant, effortless, and insanely versatile. From breezy kaftans to chic sandals, we're keeping it classy but easy, all in one suitcase. Whether you're an experienced luxury traveler or a first-timer, let's build your dream vacation wardrobe without overpacking. Okay, ladies, let's do this. Okay, ladies, in addition to what I'm going to show you, there are 3 self-imposed rules that I personally follow when packing for vacation. Number 1, I limit my accessories. Summer is all about relaxing, and I don't want the muss and my hair is sticking in my earring. Stand by, please. Take 2. Summer is all about relaxing, and I don't want the muss and fuss of traveling with a million different accessories. I bring 2 pair of oversized sunglasses, 1 pair of statement earrings, and a pretty silk scarf to either tie around my messy bun, ponytail, or around my handbag just to give it a little extra oomph. I used to bring a big hat, but honestly, no matter how well I packed the hat, I felt like it always got kind of crunched and damaged on the other end. And yes, I have seen a million different how to pack your hat videos. It just hasn't worked for me. What I have personally done is I don't bring a hat, but when we get to our destination, I go out and I buy a little cheapie that I can wear while I'm there, and then I just leave it and I give it to one of the housekeepers. I'll usually leave it for them, but it's up to you. Number 2, I stick to a color palette of mostly all neutrals, white, tan, navy, black, with 1 to 2 accent tones like emerald, coral, whatever bright, fun color is your favorite, and a print or a pattern to elevate all of my looks. Finally, I choose natural breathable fabrics like linen, cotton, silk, and or blends thereof. Those are going to keep it easy breezy but still tasteful and classy. Starting with number 1, our white classic linen or cotton button-up shirt. This is the ultimate chic staple. It's breathable, crisp, and it's endlessly versatile. Throw it over a swimsuit, even one of the little bodycon dresses to keep it classy and breezy. Pair it with linen trousers or even tuck it into a skirt for dinner. Number 2, a silk or poplin maxi dress in a natural or jewel tone. This is going to give you effortless elegance for dinner, drinks, sightseeing, strolling around town. Add a statement earring and a strappy sandal for evening, or a flat for daytime. Number 3, neutral high-waisted linen trousers. Elevated and polished, a chic linen trouser gives tailored structure while keeping it cool and easy. Pair it with tanks, short sleeve tees, breezy blouses, or your white linen shirt. For all of these items, ladies, the number of which you bring is going to depend on 2 things. 1, the length of your trip, and 2, what you will wear the most. For example, I know that I will wear shorts and maxi dresses the vast majority of the time. So I will take 2 to 3 maxis and 3 to 4 pair of shorts for a 10-day trip. Number 4, tailored shorts in white, beige, or navy. A tailored short is both polished and practical, especially for warmer weather climates. For the love of all that's holy, please ditch the denim cutoff shorts. Fun in college, doesn't look so good now, y'all. Pair your tailored shorts with a silk cami, a high quality, non-graphic short sleeve tee if you like to cover your arms or you just want that option, or a tucked in blouse for brunch or exploring. Number 5, a lightweight silk or cotton wrap skirt. Feminine and breezy, a wrap skirt flatters all figures, packs well, and takes up minimal space. Style it with any simple tank or tee for day. Swap in a silk tank or cami for sexy, easy, breezy evenings. Number 6, an elegant one-piece swimsuit in black or a beautiful jewel tone. If you love and wear one-piece swimwear, this one is your jam. This is going to double as both your swimsuit and a chic little bodysuit. Wear under trousered, tailored shorts, skirts for a sleek and easy beach to brunch look. Add sunglasses and a glamorous wide brim hat for instant resort chic. Number 7, a flowy kaftan or beach cover-up. This is another double duty piece. A flowy kaftan or beach cover-up gives you glamour and coverage for walking to the pool, through the resort, and of course, going from pool to lunch. Choose a silk or linen version that transitions easily from day into night by adding a statement earring and a chic low wedge. Number 8, a neutral tank or fitted cami, preferably in a silk or a nice quality ribbed cotton. Tanks and camis are essential building blocks for wearing alone or layering. Comfortable, yet still elevated. Pair with your linen trousers, shorts, or skirts. Wear it alone or layered underneath a breezy, open, white button-up. For a little extra warmth, throw a lightweight pashmina around your shoulders for evening. Number 9, a light knit or cashmere wrap in a neutral color. I'm personally partial to cashmere, but either way, a cashmere or a light knit wrap is an absolute must for breezy evenings, airplanes, or those overly air-conditioned spaces. It's just nice to have on hand. Super chic, easy to throw in your tote. You can't not do it. Double negative. Number 10, a statement evening top in satin, silk, or embellished. This is going to add glamour and drama for special events without having to go full dress. Pair it with trousers or your wrap skirt for effortless elegance. Next, I take 3 pair of shoes. Number 1, leather flats in either a neutral or a metallic tone. Chic and easy to walk in, perfect for strolling around the resort or into town. Pair with dresses, shorts, trousers, skirts, really anything that you're wearing for the day. 2, an espadrille wedge or a block heel sandal, whichever you feel that you will wear the most. At 5'2", adding a little height without sacrificing comfort is my jam, baby. Perfect for dinner, cocktails, anything elevated for the evening. And finally, a pair of low-profile white sneakers. Comfortable, polished, it's exactly what we're going for. These are going to be ideal for sightseeing, strolling around town, and or all of your travel days. Pairs beautifully with dresses, trousers, skirts, shorts. 2 handbags, the first one, a structured mini crossbody in a neutral color. Elegant yet functional, hands-free, dress up, dress down. I personally go for a wallet on a chain, which doubles as my, well, wallet for the trip and my crossbody, all in one fell swoop. Less to take, looks great. Use it daytime for sightseeing, strolling around, or kicked up for evening. Just tuck the chain in and use it as a little evening clutch. The third bag I take is an oversized raffia tote. This is a must for beach or pool days or walking around town when you want room for a little more storage. Maybe you're planning on doing a little more shopping when you go into town, and it's nice to have a larger tote where you can put your purchases in versus walking around with all of your shopping bags. I just find it a little more compact and convenient. Plus, raffia adds a summery texture and look to all of your outfits and looks. For more easy styling ideas, you're not going to want to miss my next video, how to elevate any boring outfit fast. Have a great week, ladies, and I'll see you in a couple days. Take care.